Hello everyone. The refreshed 2024 Tesla Model 3 has already hit the streets in the United States, showing off its sleeker styling, revised cabin, and additional standard features. Now Tesla is upping the ante on its groundbreaking electric car with the overhauled 2024 Model 3 Performance, which gets more power than before, new adaptive suspension, and a dedicated track driving mode, among other upgrades. The Model 3 Performance's dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain is significantly more potent than before, now cranking out 510 horsepower versus the 2023 model's 455 ponies. Tesla says this will allow the electric sports sedan to rip from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 163 miles per hour. The performance model uses the long-range battery, with Tesla estimating that it can go 296 miles on a charge, 45 miles less than the long-range AWE model. The performance model should also corner better than before. It sits 0.4 inch lower than a standard 2024 Model 3 and gains a new adaptive damping system. There is also a track setting that adjusts the suspension, chassis, and powertrain, and lets the driver customize the handling balance, stability control, and regenerative braking. Tesla also says the springs, bushings, and stabilizer bars have all been upgraded for performance duty, and the automaker claims the performance variant weighs 54 pounds, just 24 more than the long-range AWE specification. Visually, the performance is distinguished by a revised front end with vertical vents on the outermost corners, as well as a rear diffuser and carbon fiber spoiler that aim to reduce drag and improve lift balance at high speeds. The sporty Model 3 rides on 20-inch forged performance wheels with a staggered setup, and packs larger brake rotors, calipers, and performance brake pads. Inside there are new heated and ventilated sports seats, as well as carbon fiber trim to remind owners that they bought the fastest Model 3. There's also a 17-speaker sound system and the same 8.0-inch touchscreen for the rear passengers found in other 2024 Model 3s, which has Bluetooth connectivity and controls for the climate and entertainment. The performance will cost $54,630 and will go up against the more expensive BMW i4 M50 and Hyundai Ioniq 5N. Write in the comments what you think about the new 2024 Tesla Model 3. It's interesting to know your opinion. But likes and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars.